date on the screen. I'm just gonna put some of the curl defining cream by Tama in my hair. It will be linked down below. Don't mind my dresser, it's so messy. I also put the hair growth oil in my hair, and I'm gonna show you what my hair is looking like right now.
Stay.
So the last time y'all saw me, I was eating. Class finished about half an hour ago. I'm about to go bathe. I got my fly zapper here. Oh, what the hell is that on my foot? Ow! I had to kill it like that, guys. Sorry. Yeah, I'm about to go bathe and go to sleep because I'm dying for tomorrow to come. I'm over today. Guys, it is Thursday morning, afternoon actually, and it looks like, what the hell, like it's about to rain. Hairline is looking way too light, but it's only looking like that in the camera. Keep my head like this. So I'm on my way into Kingston now. As you saw, the bed was fitted up, putting everything. I'm like so late. The man was so late, and then I was like, listen, you have to give me a discount on the delivery because you're 3 days late. If anything, you shouldn't have had me pay for no delivery. So I took off some money off of it because I understand like the other person who came with him has to get paid somehow, right? It's his vehicle. He's the technical delivery man. So, but it does look nice. It does look like what I wanted. So I'm gonna DIY because I don't want a bed head, like a typical bed head. So there's this idea that I really like that I want to try. There's two ideas that I like that I want to try, which I think I'm going to do in a video. Kingston is looking like get ready for drop a bag of water plastic will. Like, it's looking rough. Whee! There's this one kind of hill bump thing when you're driving on Mandela, and it goes up and then it goes back down. I love saying weed. It's like that little pig commercial. I loved it. I'm gonna try and insert it if I can find it.
Let me wander with you. Won't you take me as your siren?
cafe dolce, and I ordered a pumpkin spice. Back of this pumpkin. I always think pumpkin spice because of Starbucks, but I ordered a pumpkin cheesecake, the middle one, frozen. Yeah, and I just did some rolls of Sasha, so I hope you enjoy them. Yeah, and if you've ever been to Cafe Dolce, let me know what you think about it down below. Bye. We get content pics or whatever. Ah, look at this. Make sure you go check out both of our Instagrams and insert us in that picture. Girl. Girl. Guys, good morning. It's Friday. I can't wait for 4 o'clock because I'm going live today. I've put out, there's one thing I need to send a follow-up reminder, but I've put out this thumbnail from Tuesday, and I've posted it on YouTube, I posted it on Instagram, and then I also posted the actual live stream on YouTube, so you guys can click it and be reminded when I do go live, which I'm going live at 4, and I'm going to try to go live at 4 on every Friday, every other Friday. Yeah, right now I'm heading to Ochi because I'm dropping off this box to someone. Yeah, now I'm heading into Kingston because I want to get my car serviced before I head out. And I'm currently eating these. It's so not good, but what can I say? So not much is really going on, and hold on. Not much is really going on. I'm about to turn this AC off. I can't wait for later today because jerk chicken, I just cannot wait. Like, I haven't been craving it. I don't think, okay, this is so rude of me. I'm gonna chew this last one and then I'm not gonna take another one until this is done. It's just a little ketchup, you know, but I've been craving jerk chicken for a minute. All right, there we go. I've been craving it for a minute. Seats put away. I really, really want some jerk chicken. I was driving home last night and I smelled the jerk chicken and I saw all the pan and what else? I saw all that and I saw all the man and all the people lined up, and I'm like, this right here is a commercial. Like, I have to get me one. You get me? I have to get me one. So I was like, I'm gonna get me one tonight. So I'm gonna see if Chad wants to get jerk chicken together later. I hope so, because he's been so busy lately. But that's our business. You and my business, don't do that.
Ma'am, excuse me. You in my business? Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, so I'm telling you, I cannot wait for the live, and then after the live, girl, I'm gonna go back and get some jerk chicken.
To stay.
Basically in Ochi. Oh, that's a while ago. Yep. Remember, we're only coming to drop this off, and then since I'm already running behind time, I'm gonna just make a straight turnaround again because I gotta get back up and be on time for my live. Alrighty guys, we are almost in the town. We're basically in the town, but we're on the outskirts. So yeah, so I don't know, you can't really see the quality and some of them aren't done, but it looks so nice. I'm telling you, like, Kingston houses don't have anything on country houses. Because when country houses come through, they come through. You can't really see. You can kind of see like a little bit because I'm seeing what you're seeing, but y'all not seeing the glory of it in person. And we're in Ochi. We're in basically the town. I guess the town is down that way, but we're in Eight Rivers. This plaza is called Eight Rivers. Look at me. Yeah, this is what I'm going to start to tell people. And this town center nice. It's actually nice. Like, it's like a mini mall, you know, like a Florida mall. Yeah. But anyways, like I'm saying, they just look so nice. I hope they look nice on the inside. What I'm telling you, some Kingston houses, especially up in them expensive areas, they don't compare. It's just the neighborhood. It's the name. Why are you beeping? Do you see the vehicle? Do you see it? Yeah, in those areas, I'm telling you, it's literally just the name of the neighborhood, because some of them houses are outdated. But we're not throwing any shade. Everyone, you know, a home is a home, and a home carries different meanings for everybody. It's not just about the look. But anyways, I'm on my way back to Kingston now. I have to reach back to Kingston and get ready for my live. I'm just trying to get out of this plaza. This plaza is always packed. I did buy some KFC and I have my drink right there. So we're just gonna head on out. Yeah, there's a Fontana here. It says I'm gonna reach back around 3:40, because by the time I come out of here, it's like adding on 5 minutes to my time before I can exit this place. So it says I'm gonna reach by 3. It says 3:33, but I'm stuck in here until I can leave. So yeah, to the guys that came for my live, thank you very much, because it's going up after, obviously. Thank you very much for coming to the live. And then to everybody else, stay tuned for the Fridays. Ooh, right on a red light, but I'm not gonna snitch. Yeah, so I'm gonna play some music, and don't do this at home, but I'm gonna eat and drive because I'm scared. Brother, where y'all go? See, your engine sound nice, your muffler up. I like this zoomed in look. The zoomed in look is real nice. It gives me like a cinematography. Wow. Insert Google reading of the sound. That word. Guys, look at the condition of this road. Like, I feel like I'm in the hills somewhere. Get what I'm saying? I feel like I'm in the hills somewhere. And unfortunately, I feel like roads in this community, this is like by, you know, Olympic Way is down that side. This is Waltham. Hagley Park is back that way. I feel like roads in these communities are probably gonna take longer to get fixed because you know how it goes. Hopefully not. Like, prayers going out that Bicana is wrong for that statement, and that, you know, as soon as rainy season done, these roads get fixed immediately. But who knows? this morning till now I'm feeling a lot better. To be honest, the only reason I'm even on the road is because of the taxi. So I'm gonna go get that sorted now. Then I have an interview. I have a real estate job interview already, so I really need to pass my exams. Sorry, there's a big old hole right here, and that's on period. So the mechanic, oh Jesus, oh we're going. The mechanic is up there, so I'll be right back.
Wonder how long it'll stay like this. Don't know how much longer I can take like this. Please, please, no, I can't live like this. Please, won't you please save me from this sentimental
Thank you.
of you, by the day or night you color my mind. I dream of you, feel for you, until your person can see my light. I'll dream of you.
Today's the first day. I'm at Tasty's getting something to eat. Yeah, y'all probably so familiar with this place now, but I promise I really don't eat out that often, but I'm just really hungry. So got this money. I'm gonna try to use this as a thumbnail, so we're gonna see how this goes. Let's see. Yeah, it's on the front, so I'm gonna put my water in here, and they're about to fly all the way around, but I'm gonna figure it out. I think I can, I don't know, keep this up so then maybe they won't fall all over the place. I think I'm gonna lay them all down. Let's hope it's not leaking. Yeah, it's not leaking, so I'm gonna lay it down. Lay your hands on my pillow. Yeah, we're all set in the laying down region. I think it's gonna. Alright, I think it's good. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go buy some food. I have to go to the taxis right now because there's a problem that I thought was resolved. It's not resolved, not revolved. So we're about to walk. Raise the camera. It's not resolved. But anyways, let me go find this little restaurant or whatever, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just went. I could just buy food down by which spot the mechanic they are, cause I don't know. Everybody price a raise. It's been a minute since y'all seen me eat some barber fried chicken and fries. Oh my god. Let me try to get it in the video. I'm just trying to use my hands. Like, there's nowhere else in the world that has barber fry and fries like Jamaica. I'm gonna save this for the next layer. Oh, it's over here, so. I'm still Ochi. That's my orange juice. Again, there's nowhere in the world that got orange juice like that. I'm not gonna lie to you, Wegmans and Whole Foods have this pulp orange juice, this fresh squeezed orange juice, and I'm telling you, like, that, yo, that's a different kind of orange juice. If Jamaica were to ever do that, it would shut off. But of course it would be more expensive because it's like fresh. Like, when you look at the ingredients on the back of the box, or on the back of the plastic, it's just orange juice, and it says with pulp, and it tastes like the orange juice that grew off grandpa's tree when I was young. It's so good. But anyways, I'm gonna tear up the skin first. Come on, man. This is not my dominant hand. What? It is my dominant hand. Anyways, with a piece of fries. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. I'm still eating, but I'm just trying to show you guys that this will buy you this barber fry and fries is a small, and the orange juice came up to $630. So even if you beg a little money in Jamaica, you can't starve. Me I tell you that. So yeah, I'm gonna put up the US equivalent on the screen and for today's date, and then let y'all know how much US, but that's roughly, if I'm right, I won't put up the equivalent, but that's roughly like $5, like let's say $4.50, $5. So that's a whole meal. Traffic. I have to go home. So I just finished with the mechanic. I have to go back to the mechanic tomorrow, but I told him I have something doing in the morning. Yeah, this week has been all over the place, so I apologize. Today is Thursday, by the way. But yeah, I told him I have something doing in the morning. It's like 4 o'clock or after 4, a little bit after 4. And I really wanted to get that video because I did a video and I edited it roughly. The Jamaican citizenship test, which you can find at one of these corners. I think it's up here. You can find it right here. Is it this one? Yes, you can definitely find it up here, guys. So make sure you come over here, click. I'm gonna block it out so you only have that spot. Yeah, click that. Hopefully that worked and it doesn't look weird. But yeah, so if anything, I'm probably going to go out by 7 o'clock. So give me 3 hours to give me next hour to reach home, give me another hour to edit it, and then probably like another, so that's what, 2 hours so far, and that's like probably another 30 minutes or 35-40 minutes for it to process. I already did the thumbnail and the bio is so easy to do, but traffic is mad. Yeah, I did the thumbnail this morning and I'm glad I did the thumbnail as well, because boo. Anyways, I need to come out of this place ASAP. But I have a feeling once I pass this piece of stretch where I complained last vlog, my last weekly vlog, I complained so much about it, or the vlog before this, the last vlog, I'll be in the clear. But it's rush hour time and everybody want to go home and it's rain. So yeah, so struggles, you know. Anyways, I'm getting my hair braided tomorrow by Villain and I'll be recording it, so you'll be seeing that tomorrow, and that's going to be going in the vlog. And then I'm also going to record me and Steven. We're going to go to the AC Hotel Lounge tomorrow. This will be the first time I'm meeting Steven, which is stuck on an island. So we're so excited for the meetup. We've also planned to do like a river cooking video together, so stay tuned for that. That most likely will come like around December or January. BT dubs, this is what I'm looking like. Why did they decide to cut in front of me? Ain't nowhere to go. I have a big old pimple on my chin that just came up today, and it feels a little sensitive to the touch. Ooh, she looking cute or whatever. Thumbnail. All right. Yeah, bye guys.
Change. I might go back in time and make the change. I'll say what I wanted to say.
direction was right, but we'll see if we're going to buck up into another piece of traffic once we hit the strip. Once we hit the Mandela strip. Hopefully not. Hopefully this is like the first leg of rush hour where it's very calm. The calm before the storm. I need a bike. Can get anywhere I need to get ASAP on a bike.
Come back in time and make the change. I might go back in time and make the change. I'll say what I wanted to say.
By the way, guys, I'm about to pass it. They're building up a gas station and what I think to be a Burger King. And in my last video, someone asked me in the comments. I'm gonna respond back to all the comments. I'm gonna respond back to all the comments when I get home. But somebody definitely asked me if McDonald's is back in Jamaica. No, it's not. I made a mistake. I meant to say Burger King. My fault. I always get the two confused. I wish McDonald's was in Jamaica because I prefer McDonald's in America. A McChicken, some McNuggets, a McFlurry, sis. Anyways, I'm gone. If I say I'm back one more time, take a shot. Remember when I said Kyle would be here to help me paint? He'll be doing the majority of the painting. I'll be filming. So we can move the newspaper. We don't have much.
I'm not a professional.
Yeah, we can move the newspaper around. Whoa, is it flashing back off you?
Yeah,
Should I move my dresser over?
The paint splashing.
Should I move my dresser over?
Slow.
Wait, they got some on my dresser. Okay, I'm bugging. Should I? I don't know. I'm gone, guys. Don't mind up there. I need to clean up at the glass part, but I haven't been able to really reach it by myself.
I'll use a small brush and finish up the sides.
Get the sides. Nice. Guys, look how nice and thick this paint is. This paint is Berger 404 oil paint. Anyway, you know. I can't reach like Kyle, but I'm trying. The brush thin, Kyle. The brush thin. The brush thin. Why is it being so thin for me?
Yo,
What?
step on the shovel. I think so the paint can cover.
You do I look a jump though? Why the paint so thin for me? I think I'm running out of paint. See? Oh. Ooh! I'm pressing harder. But it's coming out. Okay, there we go. This is my very first time painting a room, guys. You have to start hiring me.
So,
Painters. You want to continue to be the video? A pan? I was a little plastic Chinese food.
You just get one so you can pour some and go on with the windowsill and so.
Ta-da! Alright guys, so I'm about to move y'all. So I should go over by the windowsill?
Yeah. The two big and one and too close.
So, yeah, as soon as they keep the car, they pick up on me because they knew I was like, I went myself. And so it's like, our apologies, ma'am, our apologies. So I'm like, which time period is this?
The thing is, from your play football, you have manners most of the time, you know.
Yeah, because you know
Because you don't want nobody come talk about say you can't come play again.
Yeah.
You know?
But it was fine because I realized that, you know, but when they hit the car with the ball, then it was over. I was like, I need to fucking my ball.
You tell them to go to the yard?
No, they actually packed up because they've been playing the whole time, been kicking. So they used these two, the driveway of the next house as a goal. And they would, every time they kick the ball, they lick against the wall. And the people that were lucky to get in the living right now. But then after they hit the car with the ball, that's when they packed up. And I'm...
No, they know want nobody call mommy.
Yeah, they know them minutes. Oh my God, cute.
It's taking much longer than I thought.
Babe, I can feel your power. I can feel your power. Sentimental. Sentimental dreaming. I see the God in you. I hear the thunder in your quiet. Your radiance is blinding. Let me wander with ya. Won't you take me as your siren? Take me as your siren. Sentimental dreaming. Sentimental dreaming. Wonder how long it'll stay like this. Don't know how much longer I can take like this. Please, please, no, I can't live like this.
Alright guys, so Kyle just left and this is what the room is looking like. White. We have to do the edges. We ran out of paint. So yeah, I think he said he's gonna be able to come back on the weekend, which is Saturday, which is perfect for me. Yeah. Those are my gloves because I really just didn't want to get my hands all painty. But we use a thinner and wash our hands. Let me make sure there's no paint on my bed. There's some paint. Maybe I'll get the thinner. I'll see one clot here. Like, find out what part. There we go. Because I really didn't want to go back downstairs. But anyways, what I'm going to do is Let this dry overnight. Oh no, I gotta get out of this room. Paint is starting to come on the bottom of my foot. I hate the tiles in here. Don't even get me started. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna get a pot of water. I'm gonna put the pot of water right here. I would close the door. I think I'm gonna have to push over the bed and close the door. And then I'll see y'all in the morning. I have to wash my hair because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. So y'all will be seeing that. Peace.